Have you ever wondered what could save your life when stranded in the wilderness? What if the answer was crawling right under your feet? Welcome to a world where the unexpected becomes the essential, where caterpillars, often overlooked, could be your next meal ticket in a survival situation. Start by knowing which caterpillars are safe to eat. While many species are edible, some caterpillars are toxic or simply unpalatable. Edible caterpillars are generally those that feed on fresh, green leaves, such as cabbage loopers and tomato hornworms. On the other hand, avoid bright-colored or hairy ones, as these are often poisonous. Finding caterpillars is an art in itself. They are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly with their environment. Look closely on the underside of leaves, on stems, or near the base of plants. Caterpillars tend to be most active during early morning or late evening, making these ideal times for a successful hunt. Once you've spotted a potential meal, it's time to procure it. Gently pick up the caterpillar using a leaf or a stick to avoid direct contact with your skin. Remember, some caterpillars may sting or cause irritation if mishandled. Now you've got your caterpillar, but how do you turn this wriggly creature into a palatable meal? It's simpler than you might think. First, prepare a fire. The heat will not only cook the caterpillar but also neutralize any potential toxins. Skewer your find on a thin stick and hold it over the fire, rotating it regularly for even cooking. Cook until it turns a crispy golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Eating caterpillars might seem unusual, but they're actually packed with nutrients, making them an excellent survival food. They're high in protein, essential for repairing body tissue and providing energy. They also contain good amounts of healthy fats, crucial for maintaining body temperature and insulating vital organs. So, to recap, edible caterpillars can be a lifesaver in survival situations. Identify the right ones based on their diet and appearance, find them in their natural habitats, procure them carefully to avoid harm, and cook them thoroughly over a fire. Remember, survival isn't just about enduring, it's about adapting, and sometimes that means thinking outside the box, or in this case, thinking about what's inside the leaf. Now, the thought of munching on caterpillars might not appeal to everyone, but in a survival situation, these tiny creatures could make the difference between life and death. So next time you're out in the wilderness, take a moment to appreciate these potential lifesavers. Who knows, they might just surprise you with their crunch.